Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 275. We start with this column here. Looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 3 and 4 here. So this is our 6. That 3 makes us our 4, 3. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so 8, 9. 1 and 9 here, so 3, 8. 3 and 8 here, so 1, 9. And no help here, so 1, 3, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 8, and 9. We've got 1, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 3. We've got a 9 here with that 3. This is 1, 8. 3 and 8 here, so 1, 9. 1, 3, and 8 here. Means this is our 9. That makes this our 1, 8. That 1 makes this our 9. The 3, 8, and 9 make this our 1. 9 makes this our 8 and 3. For this row now, looks like we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing, the 7 makes this our 5, 7. So now we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this row now, we're missing a 7. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. If we look at this row, we're missing 5 and 6. I don't see any help, so 5, 6, 5, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 6. No help here, 4, 5, 6. No help here, 4, 5, 6. For this column, looks like we're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. No help here. 5, 6, 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 6. We've got the 6 and the 9 here, so that makes this our 5, which means this is our 6 and our 9. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. And we can get rid of this 5 here. For this top row now, we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 3, 9. If we look at this column, 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 7. Actually, the 6 would make this our 4. So this is our 7. If we look at this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 3. 4 here, so 1, 4. This 1 makes this our 6, 1. That 6 makes this our 5, 6, 5. 4 and 5 make this our 6. 5 makes this our 2 and our 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.